Knife heads, welcome back to the Knife Nut channel. I'm going to show you a couple knives that I'm carrying today. This video might not make no sense to nobody. I'm all over the place. What I did, it's raining right now. That's the reason I'm sitting in the car. But I went back through my filming stuff, and I just picked out stuff that I didn't use in other videos, and I put them all into one. Unfortunately, there wasn't no knife content in them. It was me doing stuff, and stuff like that. I just had to figure something out because the day's raining, and I needed to let y'all see something. So that's what I did. And I guess this is like the intro part. The knives is going to be at the end. So I'm sorry, but you can fast forward to the end if you want to see what I'm carrying today. That's fine. I get it if you don't want to watch all the other stuff. But like I said, it's raining, so I had to just take a whole bunch of my clips that I didn't use and make a video out of them. So if it ain't no good, apologize. I'm trying, guys. You gotta give me that. I'm trying. But I had a mail call yesterday, and this is it. Come on. Got the old case. Ball cap. Made in USA. Mr. Ed and Mrs. Tammy. They hit me up and said they had me something coming through Amazon, and this was it. A case ball cap. So thank you guys. I appreciate it. I've been meaning to buy me one of these. I had one a long time ago, and I wore it every day, all day, and it got ruined. I used to wear it to work when I worked on the road. It got messed up, so I threw it away, and I never bought one again. But I've been meaning to buy one, but now I ain't got to because Miss Tammy and Mr. Ed. Come on. Thank you guys for the hat. I love it. Thank you very much. I don't know what else to say, but you guys rock. And y'all need to show them some love in the comments and tell them thank you for hooking your boy up. And by the way, before I get into the rest of the video, I had an email by YouTube, and they wanted me to let everybody know I have memberships available. I've had them available for about a week now, and nobody's got one yet, which I ain't trying to tell you guys to go get one if you can't afford it. I get it. Times are hard right now, but if you want to support your boy and help me be able to afford to get more knives to show you guys, I promise you guys, if any of y'all decide to come aboard, there's going to be member videos, member lives, shout outs. It's going to be all the good stuff. You guys will be able to get my videos a day early. There's 3 stages. I think it's $3.99. That one's the come on. membership. The second one, I think it's the Knife Head for $6.99. Then I think the highest one is Stay Classy for $9.99. Y'all can go over there and get you some memberships, and however you get your memberships, that's I think if you get the Stay Classy, you get a shout out. If you get the Knife Heads, you get only videos goes to the members page and lives. Then if you get the big one, the Stay Classy, you get everything in a day early on all my public videos. So if that sounds interesting to any of y'all, and if you can afford $3.99 all the way up to $10 a month, you can help your boy out by helping me get more knives to show you guys. If not, I totally understand. Don't think I'm saying all this that I want all you guys to go do it, because I know times are tough. A lot of people's got stuff going on in their lives. I get it. I got stuff going on in my life, and it's hard for me to give everybody memberships on their channels. I try. I might be able to do it for 1 month, but not the next month. I get it. So I'm not holding it against anybody if you guys don't do it. I totally get it. But that was the first stage of monetizing my channel. I still got a couple more 100 hours to go to get the ad video stuff, I guess you call it. I don't know what you call it. I think I got 3 more 100 hours I gotta get to be 4,000 hours. But this was just the first step in my channel growth, and I thought I would take advantage of it. I don't know. If nothing happens, nothing happens. I'll just wait until my channel is able to get monetized through the videos I put out to public. But I thought I would give you guys the chance to get exclusive videos. Let's get into a knife. I'm done talking about it. If you guys can do it, do it. If you can't, no sweat off my back. Don't even worry about it. Alright, y'all, we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to show you how my dogs react when we go give them food. They can done hear me. Y'all, I'm going to flip this camera around. I'll show you guys. Now looky there, don't that look good? Yes, you can see rocks in it, but it's just for my dogs can't get inside my house, my basement. There's the old truck tires I used to do my cutting videos with, the old Cooper AT3s, 14 ply tires, big thick tires I do all the cutting with. And then look, they can't get under my fence no more either. So I think the concrete I did good. Look at that big 3-ton air conditioning unit we just put in last summer. When we bought the house, it had 1.5 tons and it overworked it. So we had to get a bigger one. So yeah, this is something a little different. I don't know. I just want to mix it up a little bit. I want to show you Fat. Minnie, that's Minnie, the brown one's Minnie. The big black one is Fat, and she's the daughter. Minnie's the mama. So I gotta change a tire out on my trailer. Last time I hauled scrap off, a pole got in between the tire and the hub and rubbed a hole in the tire. Something is on my nose. I don't know. Alright guys, let's find something else to do. That's how I feed them every day. Oreo. Mischief. Now they live in the house. Look how fat he is. Big fat cat. Trick or treating, and I get the car driving duties. Come on. Let mama do all the walking. Alright, knife heads. I'm going to show you two knives I'm carrying today. One is a 2023. The other one is a 2013. 2016. I guess we'll start with the... Hold on one second. Let me get a shot of this. My throat. 2023 Workman Series with the American flag Trapper in the red Delrin with brass pins and brass liners. We have the carbon steel Trapper. This one is a 4254 SS. Right there on the tag stamp. I can get it where you guys can see it. I know it's hard to see. The sun ain't coming up. It's raining real bad. I got my lights on in the car, but I know that ain't helping too good. This one is a 7-dot. 2023 Trapper. Both blades straight down Broadway, the way Big E likes it. No gapping. Excellent knife. It is scratched up a bit. I started carrying this knife in a slip, and that slip started scratching the Delrin up. You sit there. And I took it out of the slip, and I said, "No, thank you. You ain't scratching it up." I don't know if the slip was too tight, but I had him to make it for a Trapper. You guys can see it's scratched. And I wasn't happy about it, so I took it out. And then I have a 2016 Whiskey Bone Sodbuster Jr. with the black shield. Pocket worn. Excellent knife. It's not straight down Broadway, but it ain't rubbing. Brass pins, brass liners, the works, no gappage. If you guys are into Sodbuster Juniors and you're into orange, if you got something good you want to trade, hit your boy up. This one's on the market. I do have the box to it. Now don't come half-stepping. Do not come half-stepping. This one's in CV. Never been used. It has been carried slightly 1 or 2 times. It's a 4-star. Black shield. Nothing wrong with this. And I will be able to do some trading on this. As you all already know, I traded off the Trapper. And now I got the Saudi up for trade as well. Hit me up. My email is in my main description on my main page. Don't come half-stepping with something that is not worth nothing. That's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It might be a little long. I took a whole bunch of stuff that I did not use in other videos, and I stuffed them in this one because it's raining out. So, I hope you enjoy. If you ain't into all the other stuff, just fast forward it to this part. Alright? Y'all, stay classy. You hear?